allegation, I just talked about it, the lady that was raped, and then she later came out with a video on social media saying that if she should die the next minute, if anything should happen to her, you have to be careful using that word die, right? If anything should happen to her the next minute, that everybody should know that the person that actually caused her demise was the popular social media person. And then, so we are asking different questions then. This topic raises different issues, right? You know that, right? It raises murder, it raises rape. Okay, so we talked about rape the last time. We already know the elements for which you can prove rape and all of those other things. Let's dive into murder, right? The question is, if something tragic happens after an allegation is made, does the law automatically connect the two events? The answer is not automatic, right? So in that situation, we can see that the lady came out and brought out a video that if anything should happen to her, is a young man that caused it. So the fact that she has that video, does it automatically mean that it's the man that caused her death? What are the elements that must be proven to prove murder? And can it be said that that man actually was the causation, was the cause of her death, right? Now, because criminal law requires something, it's not usually automatic, because criminal law requires something very important. It requires proof. So, Barrister Ruben, let us ask Barrister Ruben a question, right? So in that scenario, what is the position in terms of causation, murder in Nigerian law, and all that? We'll start with the Nigerian law before we come to the US dimensions. Meanwhile, I am Attorney Cynthia Azo. I'm a dual licensed attorney. I have my partner here, Barrister Ruben Christina Ibe. She's a lawyer from Nigeria. So it's going to just expand a little bit about that issue, and then I will come in with the US perspective. And if you have any question, please drop in the comment section. We're going to answer as we go. Thank you very much.
All right, talking about the first issue, causation, and then you spoke about if someone is responsible for a rape and then subsequently the victim dies, is the person automatically responsible for murder or also responsible for murder as well as the rape? The answer is not really straightforward. And the reason why I said so is because it depends on the situation. So if it was rape and then murder, and the prosecutor can prove beyond reasonable doubt that yes, the person accused actually raped this person and thereafter murdered the person, then the person will be held liable for both rape and murder. However, from this scenario of this 20-year-old lady that was raped by the accused content creator, it's quite obvious that she committed suicide. Now, does that mean that the man is actually responsible for her death? We would say in a way, but that does not automatically mean that he will be liable for her murder.
Okay.
Coupled with the fact that it was suicide, and then there's a note there's a video to that effect to show that she actually killed herself because of the trauma and the experience. That in a way will exclude the charge of murder on the accused.
Okay, so on the charge, we can have count 1 rape, count 2 murder, right? So the court will look at the different counts and charges and determine